Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a melody nutella sandwich. So let's get started. And so I'll show you how the melody looks like. Ta-da! It's melody. Look, it's a little maze. It's pretty cute. But we're not going to play with the maze. We're going to put melody on this bread. I'll make sure it fits. So we will have it. So I will have it. So I will have melody. I'll show Bree my sandwich before I eat it.
Okay.
So she will know I made my sandwich. Okay, now kids, the bread's in the mold. Now it's time for me to push down. It's like this. Like that.
Are your hands clean?
Yes.
Did you wash them?
Guys.
But
So
next time you use the gloves. Okay, what's next?
I'm not yet done pressing. Okay, now it's done. So I'll show you the reveal. Ta-da!
The reveal.
But I'll press a little bit more. I love making snacks. And that makes my heart sparkle a lot. Of hearts that are sparkling.
Come on, hurry up. You don't have enough space sa phone.
Ta-da!
Wow. Show them closer. Okay, you put the spread. You'll be late.
Let's put it on the side. You do it.
Okay,
'Cause
wait. I need to off muna ha.